Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to talk about the topic. Do you know what is the topic? And it is about which thing? Yes. Do you know? Okay. Before going to the topic, just tell me one thing. If you want to say in English that this things belongs to you, how you will say? कोई चीज़ आपकी है तो आप उसको इंग्लिश में कैसे कहोगे कि ये मेरी है? Like this pen, so how I will say in English कि ये मेरा है? Can you tell me? So if you know, then it's mean you will learn the topic very easily. But if you don't know, don't worry, I'll help you. So how I can say in English, this pen is mine. This is mine. Okay. So, so let's start the topic. Today we are going to talk about possessions. Okay. So what is possessions and what is the meaning of possessions? Possessions mean ownership. If you talk about or if you want to tell the definition of possessions in short wording or in short sentence, you can say that it's ownership or having something belong to someone. Okay, it shows person, animals or things on or has something. इसका ये मतलब है कि किसी चीज़ का आपके पास होना या आपका होना ये जाहिर करता है. इट शोज़ पर्सन, एनिमल्स और थिंग्स ऑन्स और हैज़ समथिंग. कोई भी पर्सन, एनिमल या फिर क्या है, पर्सन या एनिमल है और या कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ है उसके पास कुछ है या वो कुछ ओन करता है. ओन मीन कि वो आपकी है, आपसे बिलोंग करती है. ओके, सो हेयर इज़ द ऑडियो ट्रैक फॉर यू एंड आई हैव already written the sentences on the topic on the related to the audio track, so you can easily guess that what's going on here and you can easily discuss the picture as well. Okay, look at the picture. These children are on a camping holiday and their backpacks are all mixed up. Listen, which backpack belongs to which child? Okay, so now as you know that their bags are missing, okay, so you have to tell which backpack is belongs to which child. But I have a question at the end of this audio track. You will tell me. So listen carefully, okay? So here is a woman. Is this backpack yours? Jill is saying, yes, it's mine. Okay, here you are. Here you are. Nick, is this red one your? So, which backpack is Nick's? Listen it carefully. Nick, no, mine is the blue one with stars. So, which one is the Nick backpack? Yes, here you go. Woman, this is this one. Okay, Jack, which backpack is yours? So, which one is the Jack backpack? Jack, the black one is mine. So, what the Jack is saying? The black one is mine. So, the next question is which one is Lucy's? Which one is Lucy's? So can you guess and tell which one is Lucy's backpack? So here you go. You can find out the Jill's backpack. Black one is belongs to the Jack and the blue one with star is belongs to the Nick. So which one is Lucy's backpack? You have to answer me in the comment section, okay? And you have to identify and give answer in complete sentence. Practice the conversation with children in your class using yours and mine. So you have to do the practice, okay? Is it your backpack? Okay, so we can say is it yours? Yes, it is my backpack. Yes, it's mine. So these are which backpack, which one? The red backpack, the red one. So here are the short sentences which you can use. And do you know the mine, yours, his, her, these are possessive pronouns. क्या है ये? जैसे आपको पता है विच वी यूज़ इंस्टेड ऑफ नाउन्स, तो ये आपके पास कौन सी पोजेशन को शो कर रहे हैं? पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज बैकपैक हैज़ द वर्ड बैक इन इट. You carry it on your back. It is a compound word. A big word made of two little words. So when two or more words join together, it's called compound word. Okay. So what can you see here? A lunch box is a box with lunch inside. So, what is the compound word? Lunch box. A classroom is a room with a class inside. A bedroom is a room with a bed inside. So, you will tell me a bookshop is a shop that sells what? You have to tell me in the comment section, okay? This is your task. Now, next is what's in the backpack. So you have to listen to me carefully because at the end you have one activity questions for you and you will tell me that what is the answer of the question. Okay, what is in the backpack? This is Jill's backpack. So Jill's is the word, it is showing the possessions nouns. ठीक है, possessive nouns with s. ये कौन सी possessions को show कर रहा है? possessive नाउन्स विद, ये देखिए जो एपिस्ट्रॉफी के साथ ऐसे हम लोग एस डाल सकते हैं, ये पोजेशन को शो कर रहा है, पोजेशन नाउन्स को शो कर रहा है, जिल्स के साथ आप देख सकते हैं. ठीक है. She's got a pink hairbrush. So what you can see, okay, you have to look at the Jill's backpack carefully, okay. What she has, what is, this is Jill's backpack. What has she got in? इसके अंदर क्या है? Okay, what she's, it's the contraction of she has. She's got a pink hairbrush. So what other things can you see here? She's got a pink hairbrush, a skipping rope, and you can see what? A pencils and a lunch box. So here is the next backpack. Look at the picture of this backpack. This is Nick's backpack. What has he got in it? So he's got two white socks. So he has his it's already, I have already told you that it is we are going to use it for the for showing contraction. Okay, he's got two white socks, a camera, a book, and a jacket. So here are word books which will help you to describe that what has he gotten, what has she gotten, means what you can find in Jill's backpack, what you can find in Nick's backpack. So here are the words: hairbrush, skipping rope, camera, jumper, pencil, lunchbox, shoe, jacket, book, socks. So these words are for you. So your task is, you have to tell me in comment section if you are the attentive listener and do you know. First question is, can you remember what is in inside Jill's backpack? Jill's के backpack में क्या है, ये मुझे आपने आंसर करना है in a complete sentence. Okay, if you are the good listener. Okay, second sentence, mine, yours. Okay, these are the two words. So which type of possessions? Mine and yours. ये कौन सी टाइप है possessions की? Possessive nouns हैं या possessive pronouns हैं? Okay, I hope you like the video. For more video, please subscribe and support me, as you can share my video with your friends and